Hello, welcome to UltFone channel. Granted, Monster Hunter Now Network Error 64 isn't only for GPS spoofing. But as of the last couple of hours, it appears Monster Hunter Now spoofing caused the majority of these errors. Some users have even reported a soft ban, where nothing shows up in their game anymore. There are several methods players can try to hopefully resolve the issue. If you're struggling with the 64 error message, we'd suggest the methods below. Way 1. Update Monster Hunter Now. Make sure that your version of the game is up to date. If it's not, install the latest update via the App Store on your mobile device. Way 2. Check the network. Double-check your internet connection. Examine your internet connection, and if there are no indicators that there's an issue, you may want to reset your router. Alternatively, if you're out and about, make sure you've got a sufficient amount of mobile data. You also can go to Settings, General, Reset or Transfer. Reset Network. This way can help you reset your network. Way 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. If there are some system issues on your iPhone, you can use a tool to fix it. UltFone iOS System Repair is the most professional tool that can help you fix many system issues. So let's install and launch it on your computer. Then connect your device to the computer. On the home screen, click Start button. Then click Standard Repair to proceed. Then hit Download to download iOS firmware. Now you can click the Start button and wait for it to fix your iPhone. Well done. Now you can try Monster Hunter Now again. So easy, right? That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.